Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q2 of the weekly contest 442 properties graph. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. There are two parts for this one, and there are a couple ways you can handle it. I don't think it matters too much which way you want to go about it. One is to connect the components, and then the other is just constructing the graph, well, in the ways that they tell you. Given that this is the case with these constraints, you can just do something like that's n times m times I guess n times m or n squared times m or n choose 2 times m is basically the idea. And a couple of ways you can think about it. Connect the components part, right? To connect components, today I just used union find. And people have templates, I guess, but I mean, even just typing it out, I did this in 3 minutes, so it shouldn't be that bad. But yeah, this is just union find, and and for me, I just used the set. You can also maybe do a bit set type thing, but I just convert it to a set, and then now I just construct a graph by looking at every pair. And I just do a minor optimization where if they're already not in the same component, then we do a set intersection, which is the syntax here, and then get the length. If the length is greater than or equal to k, then we just union it, and that's it. Yeah, and then we just try to find where. And this is just to get the number of roots, right, for the connected components. And you can again do this with breadth first search or depth first search, and it'll be the same idea, similar code, and the complexity mostly the same, which is still going to be dominated by n squared times m, right? Because the set interception is still going to take O of m. But yeah, that's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I don't know. I don't know that there's that much complexity here in terms of, without me going over the details about graphs and stuff like this. So I'm just going to assume that you know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and you could watch me solve it live during the contest now. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay. I've been careful for obvious reason. It's fine. Extra 20 seconds or even half a minute is fine, right? Anyway, all right, focus. Alright, 2D properties n times m and an integer k define and intersect a b where a number of distinct integers common to both array a and b. Intersect a b, that we what? Oh, a and b. Okay, I don't know why I don't use I and j for it, but okay, fine. Construct undirected. Okay, construct an undirected graph. There is an edge. So we have given k. If the intersection is greater than or equal to k, there's an nm. Okay, I mean that seems pretty straightforward depending on the constraints, and the constraints are silly, so it's just So for j for k, okay, fine, right? So n is equal to length of properties, right? Then now we're just going to do something like for I in range of n, for j in range of I plus 1n, right? Or maybe even just right? P dot append property sub I. So we want it to be a set, right? They're unique, distinct. Convert to a set, and then now we have P sub I and P sub j. And then length of this is greater than or equal to k, then there's an edge, right? Yeah, then we could, I guess we should use union find, actually. This is also one of those things where if I had, free win code, that would be nice, but it is what it is. I probably have it somewhere, but I always I don't know. I don't mind typing it out, I think. Okay, fine, right? So then now, let's only do this intersection if there's a typo. Union ij, and then now just the number of components, is it? Return count. I guess there are a couple of ways to do it. Just set of parents, right? Nope, that's not the, nope. That's how you make a silly mistake. Okay. Was it 312? Alright. Don't think I did anything too silly. Okay. Probably could have been faster if I pre-run code like some people do, but it's. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, these forums, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.